If you're learning to code right now because you think it will protect your future, pause for a second. I'm not saying coding is useless. I'm saying it's no longer the safest bet. Because the skill that will decide who wins in the AI era isn't coding at all, and most people won't realize this until they've already been replaced. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you the one AI skill that will matter more than coding and how you can start building it today. For decades, coding was the gatekeeper. If you could code, you could build websites, apps, businesses, and careers. If you couldn't code, you had ideas but no access. You were locked out, watching from the sidelines as others built the future. Coding was the language of creation, and only a select few were fluent. It was a barrier, a moat that separated the builders from the dreamers. This scarcity made it incredibly valuable. Then AI arrived, and the gate disappeared. Suddenly, the entire landscape changed. Today, I can write code, fix bugs, explain errors, and even improve performance. You can describe an idea in plain English, and a machine will generate the technical instructions to make it real. So if everyone can generate code, coding is no longer rare. It's becoming a commodity, available to anyone with an internet connection. And when a skill stops being rare, it stops being powerful. It's like a currency that everyone can print. Its value naturally declines. The skill that will matter more than coding is called AI orchestration. Not prompts. Not tools. Orchestration. So, what does that really mean? AI orchestration means knowing how to think, not just what to type. It's the ability to look at a complex, real-world problem and break it into clear, simple steps. It's about being a strategist, deciding which I should do what and in what order. Imagine you have a team of highly specialized, super intelligent assistants. One is a brilliant writer, another is a data genius, and a third is an amazing designer. Your job isn't to do their work, it's to direct them. It's to take their output, the text, the data, the designs, and weave it all together into something truly useful, something that solves a problem in the real world. That is orchestration. Let's compare the two. Coders give instructions. They write specific commands for a computer to follow. Orchestrators design systems. They build the entire workflow. The entire process. Coders ask, how do I build this? They focus on the technical execution, the syntax, and the logic. Orchestrators ask, what should exist and why? They focus on the high-level strategy, the purpose, and the final outcome. In this new world, AI rewards the second question far more than the first. The how is being automated. The what and why, that's where human value now lies. So what does this look like in practice? A non-coder who understands orchestration can now build complex applications by directing different AI agents to work together. They can launch entire startups where AI handles the marketing, the customer service, and the financial analysis. They can replace entire teams with automated workflows, freeing up human talent for more creative, strategic work. They can manage systems they never personally coded, acting as the director of an automated enterprise. They are not just using a tool, they are leading an intelligent system. So, why will most people miss this huge shift? Because most people are asking the wrong question. They're frantically searching, what's the best coding language to learn in 2025? They see an endless list of options: Python, JavaScript, Rust, and feel overwhelmed, thinking the answer is in one of them. The real question is, can I think clearly enough to direct intelligence? That question is harder to answer. It requires self-awareness, critical thinking, and strategic foresight. And that gap between asking about tools and asking about thinking is where the future leaders will stand. So how do you start building the skill? Right now, today. First, stop asking AI for simple answers. Start asking it to collaborate. Treat it like a junior partner. Second, practice breaking big, messy problems into small, manageable steps. Take any goal you have: launching a project, planning a trip, and map it out. Third, learn what different AI tools are good at. Know their strengths and weaknesses. And start assigning them roles in your projects, just like a manager would with a team. This is how you train orchestration the same way leaders train judgment, through practice, repetition, and a focus on the big picture. 5 years from now, nobody will ask if you can code. They'll ask if you can think. Can you see a problem clearly? Can you design a solution? Can you command intelligence to build it? That skill, the skill of clear, strategic thinking, doesn't get automated. It gets amplified. If you want to stay ahead of AI instead of just chasing it, subscribe. This channel is for people who want to understand the future before it arrives. Thanks for watching.